Hey guys, today I got some updates about the Armitage which is in the garage. I just fixed it. The pull chains, now you can reach them because before I had to use this ladder. Oh, let me pull harder. And I also put these stickers like drawings, which this is the light one, the red one is the light, and the green one is the fan. And I forgot to mention, it's the only fan in the house that has a pull chain, the only 4-blade fan, the only 42-inch fan, and the only white fan in the house. Yeah. And the Harbor Calera, I might not really like it. I mentioned that will be the only fan in the house it'll be the only fan in the house that doesn't have a light kit. So, yeah. There's a Hoops and Yo-Yo dispenser. It's running. Well, I'm gonna have to turn off the light because the one in the garage door opened around. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's already on. I wonder where they put lights, but I kind of fixed the light bulb on it, but yeah. Also, the two blades are wood and the other ones are white. It's running on medium right now. And actually, I don't know if you can extend the speed, but I used this speed extender which I bought in Lowe's to replace it with the. It's going higher. But yeah. But today I feel like I gotta change the light bulb. Yeah, I'm going to change the light bulb on this fan because the one that we have right now, it doesn't work well. But yeah, here's some light bulb packs. Umbrella light. I don't usually use that umbrella light, but the pull chain, it has a back passenger, which means it's so high, but I have to use furniture to climb up. But yeah, I usually use furniture, but I used to, but now I use the older models to do it. I'm scared of heights as well. I'm scared of areas without railings. I'm kind of scared of areas with no railings. So now you can pull the fan. Yeah, no more need to find stuff to climb up. Just use this extender. It's made out of yarn. Pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Also put these decorations now. I also made sure to find a key, one for the chains. Like for here. Because, yeah, it's almost winter, but it's like Thanksgiving. And tomorrow my grandparents are coming over because they'll just see this new fan. It's the newest fan in the house. Before I put this fan on, it was just a light, but ever since we moved into this house, this fan wasn't here. Like, when the owners gave this house to us, it was like thing, but it's almost winter, but that's why I'm going to keep all the fans on high. It might get hot, even though it's winter. I gotta turn off the light because I don't want to waste energy, and I'm gonna keep the light on and turn it off after the fan. And I'm gonna turn it off because it might fall off. The blades might go flying. That's off. Let me pull the pull chain. But I'm going to school, so yeah, normally all the ceiling fans in the houses, they're normally controlled by, all the ceiling fans inside are controlled by these 3-speed remotes. Yes, normally they're all Hunters. And I forgot to mention, the one in the garage, it's also the only Harbor Breeze fan in the house. Yeah, and the ceiling fan in the guest bedroom, in my room, and my room, I kind of feel like replacing it with Hampton Bay Littleton. It's the same price as the Harbor Breeze Armitage. Sorry, I got hungry. See the fan? Let me see it. It's definitely working. I make a lot of short videos with this fan, with the Squid Game stand remix, but but not usually I make those videos, but sometimes I do. And I also use some evolution videos, but I use the music from them to make sounds for ceiling fans and ceiling fans in Roblox, or also ceiling fans in this house. Yeah, I installed this ceiling fan last year. Like, definitely not last year. I bought it last year. And I installed this January 2. I destroyed No, I didn't. I would never destroy this fan, but I installed this fan on January. Yes, like in the beginning of the year. And I used my money to buy this fan because I got the money to buy this fan on December 31st. Yeah. I bought it, so that means that the day I bought this and to build it was on January 1st. And then I installed this January 2. Yeah, and I also installed the speed switch the same day. And I also bought it the same day. And I also got the money for it the same day. So, yeah, I thought a Hampton Bay Littleton will be good, but Hampton Bays are they're not really the best, and they don't sell any of those in Lowe's. So I decided to buy the Harbor Breeze Armitage, and I guess I installed it wrong. Normally these are because the ceiling fan, it's also the only ceiling fan that's flush mounted. Normally all the house ceiling fans, the ones inside like over there, they have downwards, and they don't mount by an angle like going down. So I forgot to mention it's also the only fan in the house that it's a flush mount. And there's the garage door open. It's closing the door. I don't usually make those videos, but yeah. Some folks like me do the thing, but see you later.